How to fix Snapchat Crystal not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we are going to show you how we can fix that issue. So let's just jump right in and get this sorted out together. So the thing is, you need to just go ahead and make sure that Snapchat application is always updated to the latest version first of all. So head over to your available App Store or Google Play Store and go to the search and search for your app Snapchat, and then you need to ensure that your application is updated. If you see any update, you can tap on update, as an outdated app might not support the latest features like crystals. Next thing we can do is we can clear the cache of the application. So you may log press on your Snapchat application, go over to the info section at the top, and then after that just scroll down from the given settings and scroll over to storage, and go ahead and clear the cache. Tap on clear cache. This can fix glitches causing the crystal not to load. So this is another method. Otherwise, poor connection can also stop charms icons from loading. So you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. For that, you can head over to devices settings and then go over to internet connection section, which is connections, and look out for your internet. Like if it is on a poor internet connection, just switch over to a greater internet connection. That will help you. If none of those works, you can just reach out to the Snapchat support team themselves and report the issue. Mention that your friendship crystal is not showing despite meeting all the conditions, and that's it. Hopefully, your Snapchat crystal is now showing properly. If this helped, don't forget to like and comment below with any questions and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. And see you in the next video.